Okay guys, this is a little video to show you how to reformat ASCII files. I know it's not a uCheetah thing, but I find it quite useful, especially if you don't want to fiddle around with Excel, blah blah blah. Some of the guys send you data and it's quite messy, or you need to change it into a format that you can bring into Microstation using uCheetah. So I'm going to use an example where somebody sends you a CSV file that is comma delimited ASCII file, and it's basically useless to you. Now, these little videos are off the cuff, so if I stumble or make a few errors, we'll talk about it. So I've got a CSV file here, and I'm going to say open it in Notepad, right? Otherwise, if you click on it, it'll automatically open up in Excel. There's the file. Okay, so topo survey. Now you want to bring this into Microstation using uCheetah. It's not going to work because there's no import facility for comma delimited file. Now you can open this in Excel, reformat the columns, blah blah, and save it as ASCII. You can do that. Some people are not comfortable using Excel to fiddle around with the coordinate formats. Just want to show you a very simple, quick way to change this into a space delimited ASCII file that you can bring into Microstation. It's so simple that, yeah, anyway, so you just edit and you replace, and you say all the commas, space, replace all. There you have it. One space between each item on the lines, and that's all that's required to bring it into Microstation using uCheetah. Okay. Yeah, and similarly, if for some reason you wanted something else between there, and I'm just expanding slightly because for bringing in a latitude longitude file, sometimes there's semicolons involved or whatever. You can do the same thing. I mean, you can just search everything you want to change, like spaces to semicolons. Space to semicolon or whatever. I mean, it's just an example to show you how to do it. So we'll go and replace everything. No problem there. If you wanted to replace this semicolons and just put in a few more spaces so it's a little bit legible, press all. That's it. It doesn't matter if they don't all line up, because uCheetah, if you bring it into Microstation, requires spaces. It can be one or many spaces between these things. So there's no problem. This you could save and bring it into uCheetah. Oh, there you go. Save as. Give it a TXT extension or whatever you want to do. Done. Here's your TXT extension file. uCheetah will read that in, no problem. Okay, cheers.